In a world increasingly interconnected by technology, trade, and migration, understanding global cultures has become more critical than ever. Our planet is a mosaic of diverse societies, each with its unique traditions, languages, beliefs, and ways of life. These differences, when understood and respected, can lead to greater unity and progress, fostering an environment where collaboration and mutual respect thrive. However, ignorance and misunderstanding can just as easily lead to conflict, prejudice, and division. This video delves into the importance of understanding global cultures, the challenges and rewards of cultural exchange, and how this understanding can be a powerful tool in building a more harmonious world. The importance of understanding global cultures. Cultural diversity as a strength. Cultural diversity enriches our world in countless ways. Each culture contributes its own perspective to global issues, offering different approaches to problem-solving, art, science, and social organization. This diversity is not merely a passive characteristic of humanity, but a dynamic force that drives innovation and creativity. Understanding global cultures allows us to tap into this wellspring of ideas and solutions, promoting global progress in areas such as technology, medicine, and environmental conservation. Promoting peace and conflict resolution. Many conflicts in the world are rooted in cultural misunderstandings or a lack of appreciation for different ways of life. By fostering an understanding of global cultures, we can address the underlying causes of these conflicts and work towards peaceful resolutions. Diplomacy and international relations, for instance, greatly benefit from cultural awareness, as negotiators who understand the cultural backgrounds of their counterparts are more likely to reach mutually beneficial agreements. Global citizenship and empathy. Understanding global cultures nurtures a sense of global citizenship. It encourages individuals to see themselves as part of a larger human community, transcending national borders and ethnic divisions. This perspective fosters empathy, as people become more aware of the challenges and experiences of others around the world. Such empathy is crucial in addressing global issues like poverty, climate change, and human rights, as it motivates collective action and solidarity. The challenges of understanding global cultures. Overcoming ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism, the tendency to view one's own culture as superior to others, is a significant barrier to understanding global cultures. This mindset can lead to prejudice, discrimination, and a lack of openness to different cultural practices. Overcoming ethnocentrism requires a conscious effort to recognize and challenge our own biases, as well as an educational system that promotes cultural awareness and critical thinking. Language is a fundamental aspect of culture, and language barriers can hinder cross-cultural understanding. While technology has made communication across languages easier, nuances and cultural contexts are often lost in translation. Learning multiple languages or employing skilled translators can help bridge this gap, allowing for more effective and meaningful intercultural exchanges. Cultural misappropriation, or the adoption of elements of one culture by members of another culture without proper understanding or respect, can lead to misunderstandings and resentment. It is important to approach other cultures with humility and a genuine desire to learn, rather than simply borrowing aspects of a culture for personal or commercial gain. Respectful cultural exchange requires recognizing the origins and significance of cultural practices and engaging with them in a way that honors their meaning. Stereotyping and oversimplification are common pitfalls when trying to understand global cultures. Reducing a culture to a set of stereotypes can erase the rich complexity and diversity within that culture, leading to misinformed perceptions. Avoiding stereotypes requires a commitment to ongoing learning and engagement with people from different cultures, as well as a willingness to confront and revise our assumptions. The rewards of cultural exchange. Broadening perspectives. Engaging with different cultures broadens our perspectives, challenging our preconceived notions and expanding our worldview. This exposure to diverse ways of thinking can lead to personal growth, as we learn to appreciate the complexity of the human experience. It can also enhance our ability to think critically and creatively, as we encounter new ideas and ways of approaching problems. Fostering innovation. Innovation often occurs at the intersection of different cultures. When people from diverse backgrounds collaborate, they bring a variety of perspectives and skills to the table, leading to more innovative solutions. For example, the fusion of different culinary traditions can create new and exciting dishes, while cross-cultural collaborations in technology can lead to breakthroughs that benefit all of humanity. Building social cohesion. Understanding and respecting global cultures can, really strengthen social cohesion, both within multicultural societies and on a global scale. When people feel that their culture is recognized and valued, they are more likely to engage positively with others and contribute to a shared sense of community. This social cohesion is essential for addressing global challenges, as it fosters cooperation and collective action. Enhancing cultural literacy. Cultural literacy, the ability to understand and engage with different cultures, is an invaluable skill in today's globalized world. It allows individuals to navigate diverse social and professional environments with ease, opening up opportunities for collaboration, travel, and personal development. As the world becomes more interconnected, cultural literacy will become increasingly important for success in a wide range of fields. Practical steps to enhance cultural understanding. Education and awareness. Education plays a crucial role in fostering cultural understanding. Schools and universities can incorporate global cultures into their curricula, teaching students about the history, traditions, and contributions of different cultures around the world. Beyond formal education, cultural awareness can be promoted through media, literature, and the arts, which offer accessible ways for people to learn about and appreciate different cultures. Travel and immersion. Traveling to different countries and immersing oneself in other cultures is one of the most effective ways to gain a deeper understanding of global cultures. By experiencing different ways of life firsthand, individuals can develop a more nuanced appreciation of cultural diversity. However, it is important to approach travel with an open mind and a respectful attitude, avoiding the temptation to impose one's own cultural norms on others. Cultural exchange programs. Cultural exchange programs such as study abroad opportunities, international internships, and cultural exchange scholarships provide structured opportunities for individuals to engage with different cultures. These programs not only promote cultural understanding, but also build lasting relationships between people from different countries, fostering a sense of global community. Community engagement. Engaging with diverse communities within one's own country can also enhance cultural understanding. Many cities around the world are home to multicultural populations, offering opportunities to learn about and interact with different cultures without leaving home. Volunteering, attending cultural festivals, and participating in community events are all ways to connect with and appreciate the diversity within one's own community. Utilizing technology. Technology has made it easier than ever to connect with people from different cultures. Social media platforms, online forums, and virtual events allow individuals to engage with global cultures from the comfort of their own homes. While online interactions cannot replace the depth of in-person cultural exchange, they offer a valuable way to broaden one's horizons and build cross-cultural relationships. The role of cultural diplomacy. Building international relationships through cultural diplomacy is an essential tool for promoting global peace and understanding. By sharing cultural practices and traditions, countries can build bridges of understanding and trust, reducing the likelihood of conflict. Cultural diplomacy also allows nations to showcase their cultural achievements and values on the global stage, fostering mutual respect and admiration. Promoting soft power, the ability to influence others through cultural appeal rather than coercion, is increasingly important in international relations. Countries that invest in cultural diplomacy and promote their culture abroad can enhance their global influence, attracting tourists, investors, and partners. This soft power can be a valuable asset in achieving foreign policy goals and promoting a positive national image. Encouraging dialogue between different cultures, cultural diplomacy provides a platform for exchanging ideas and addressing misunderstandings. This dialogue can take many forms, from cultural festivals and exhibitions to academic exchanges and joint artistic projects. By facilitating conversations between cultures, cultural diplomacy helps to break down stereotypes and build a more inclusive global community. Understanding global cultures is not just an intellectual exercise, it is a vital skill for navigating the complexities of our interconnected world. As we face global challenges that require collective action, from climate change to social inequality, the ability to understand and appreciate cultural diversity will be essential for building a more peaceful and prosperous future. By overcoming the barriers to cultural understanding, embracing the rewards of cultural exchange, and promoting cultural diplomacy, we can create a world where diversity is celebrated and used as a force for good. In this way, understanding global cultures becomes not just a means of personal growth, but a pathway to global unity and progress.